Today, we are going to learn about one of the most important parts of a democracy, the election. What is an election? Simply put, an election is a formal and organized process where people called voters choose their representatives for a position or an office. In our class, you will be voting to choose our new subject monitor. Election related activities. A real election isn't just one day of voting, it involves several key activities that happen in a sequence. Let's look at the steps we will follow. Number one, announcing the schedule and filling nominations. Number two, election campaign. Number three, polling day, casting your vote. The election procedure, calling voters, ID check and issue ballot, casting vote, remember, whether your candidate won or lost, the election is a success because we all participated.